Watch full episodes on Geo Hotstar.
Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We can find them in all types of food, and they will help make us grow strong and healthy.
Zinc. Have you ever seen a toucan's enormous beak? It's grown so much because he eats lots of sunflower seeds. And seeds contain lots of a mineral called zinc, which you can also find in peanuts, pulses, cheese, eggs, in meat, and shellfish. Zinc won't make your beak grow like the toucan, though it will help you to grow and prevent you getting sick. Remember that you must eat these foods to grow healthy. These foods contain the most zinc. So there you go. A rich and mixed diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy and you'll be healthy. Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We find them in all types of food, and they make us grow strong and healthy. Chrome. A horse can run all day long without getting tired. Do you know why? That's because he eats lots of vegetables. And vegetables contain lots of a mineral called chrome, which you can also find in whole wheat, olive oil, mushrooms, walnuts, apples, chicken, and shellfish. Chrome will strengthen your heart and will also help you grow and strengthen our teeth. Remember, you must eat these foods to be strong and grow. These foods contain the most chrome. So there you go. A rich and mixed diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We can find them in all types of food, and they will help make us grow strong and healthy. Silicon. Have you ever seen a sparrow fly? He's very agile and fast. And you know why? Well, because sparrows love to eat cereals. And cereals contain lots of a mineral called silicon, which you can also find in vegetables, such as asparagus and spinach, in rice, strawberries, figs, and in coconuts. Silicon protects your skin, strengthens your fibers, and provides vitamins to your cells. Remember, you must eat these foods to be agile and to have a healthy skin. These foods contain the most silicon.
So there you go. A rich and mixed diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy, be healthy. Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We find them in all types of food, and they make us grow strong and healthy.
Chlorine. Have you seen how strong an ox is working in the field? Bet he's never ill. That's because he eats lots of vegetables. And vegetables contain lots of a mineral called chlorine, which you can also find in carrots, fish, and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Chlorine helps protect our stomach and also keeps our liver running smoothly. Remember, you must eat these foods to keep your stomach and liver healthy. These foods contain the most chlorine. Now you know, a rich and varied diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy, be healthy! Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We can find them in all types of food, and they will help make us grow strong and healthy.
Sulfur. Everybody knows how fast a fox can steal eggs from a hen house. And you know why? Because he loves eggs. And eggs contain lots of a mineral called sulfur, which you can also find in pulses, cauliflower, cheese, carrots, onions, garlic, fish, and meat. Sulfur will make you very agile and also improve your nails and skin. Remember, you must eat these foods to be agile and strong. These foods contain the most sulfur. So there you go. A rich and mixed diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy and you'll be healthy. Vitamins and minerals are elements that are present in nature. We name them with letters so they can be easily recognized. They are vital for our physical and psychological development. We find them in all types of food, and they make us grow strong and healthy. Molybdenum. Do you know why an ant can work so much and never get tired? That's because she spends all her life collecting and storing seeds. And seeds contain lots of a mineral called molybdenum, which you can also find in bread, whole wheat, pasta, pulses, and green vegetables. Molybdenum will make you very strong. And what's more, it will make your teeth grow strong and healthy. Remember, you must eat these foods to be strong and healthy. These foods contain the most molybdenum. So there you go. A rich and mixed diet will help you grow in good health. Eat healthy and you'll be healthy. Milk. Do you know why colts can walk right after they're born? Well, that's easy, because they drink lots and lots of milk from their mommies. All mammals, including us, when we're born, we drink milk from our mommies. It's very nutritious and easy to swallow. And this is why babies grow so fast. Once we're grown up, we drink milk from other animals, such as cows, sheep, or goats. And how can we drink it? In lots of ways. It's good cold, warm, with chocolate, sugar or honey, with cookies or cereals, or even with fruits as a milkshake. Many dairy products are produced from milk, butter, yogurts, cream, cheese, or curd. Milk is the queen of all desserts. Milk is one of the most complete nourishments because it contains proteins, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to our bodies with a lot of energy. And remember this, if you drink a lot of milk, your bones and teeth will be strong and your skin will be shiny and healthy. Remember, if you want to grow strong and healthy, you must drink at least 2 or 3 glasses of milk a day. If you eat healthy, you'll be healthy.
Here's a little riddle for you. What's white on the surface, yellow inside? It's a box that opens and never closes. And its owner is the hen. Can you tell me what it is? Exactly! It's the egg. It's white on the outside and it's called white. And it's yellow in the inside and it's called yolk. And how can you eat it? In many different ways. Fried, scrambled, boiled, or as an omelette. The egg is the food with the highest nutritional value because of its protein content. It contains minerals, vitamins, and lots of proteins. If you eat eggs, you will strengthen your bones, memory, immune system, and your skin. For this, you must eat at least 4 eggs a week. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Banana! Have you ever seen a flying monkey? I have. A tail monkey. Tail monkeys are great trapeze artists that jump from one branch to another thanks to their long legs and arms. And guess what? They eat lots of bananas. The banana is one of the most complete foods that nature gives us. How can you eat it? It's delicious as it is. But you can also fry it or have it as a milkshake with either orange juice, ice cream, milk, or in a dumpling. The banana contains vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. It's a very nutritious and energetic fruit. Excellent for sport and for our stomachs. Remember, if you want to have a healthy stomach and don't want to get tired while doing your favorite sport, you must eat at least 1 banana a day. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Shellfish. Do you know why flamingos are pink? Easy. Flamingos get their pink color from their favorite food, shellfish, and especially from shrimps. Thanks to its food based on shellfish, the flamingo is a star pilot, capable of flying as fast as 50 kilometers per hour. Shellfish live in the sea, and I'm sure you know more than one. Shrimps, lobster, crayfish, crabs. How can you eat them? They're delicious cooked and served cold, grilled or fried, in a soup, with rice, or in salads. Shellfish contain lots of vitamins, minerals, omega-3 oils, and specially proteins with a high biological value. If you eat shellfish, your hair will shine. You'll have a good memory, and your bones will grow healthy and strong. Remember, to have good memory and grow strong and healthy, you must eat shellfish regularly. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Corn. Here's a riddle. He's got a crown, he's not a king, and wears spurs, and is not a knight. He always sings at dawn, waking us from our sleep. What animal is it? Very good, the rooster! Do you know why the rooster wakes up the earliest? Because he eats lots of corn. Corn is those little yellow kernels that when you fry them turns into popcorn. You can also eat corn on the cob, as a cereal, as a flour to make pancakes, or toast and salt them like nuts. Whichever way, corn is delicious and very nutritious. Corn contains fiber and carbohydrate, vitamins, and minerals. That's why corn is good to digest the food we eat. It gives us energy and helps us to grow. Remember, you must eat cereals every day to be as awake as the rooster. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Pulses! Do you know why they call the bear the master of the forest? Because he is strong and powerful. And what makes him like that? Eating lots of pulses. I'm sure you also eat pulses, such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, peas, and broad beans. Pulses are a very complete food, and you can find them either fresh, dried, canned, or frozen. And how do you eat them? In salads, boiled, mushed, with pasta, or with rice. They are delicious whichever way. Pulses are a rich source of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. If you eat pulses, you'll have lots of energy and a good immune system. Strong bones, muscles, and your skin will grow healthy and strong. Remember, pulses are very important for growing and not getting tired. You must eat lots of varied pulses every day. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Lettuce. Do you know which is the tallest animal in the animal kingdom? You're right, the giraffe. And do you know why it has such a long neck? With its long neck, the giraffe can reach the most delicious leaves on the top of the trees. There are lots of animals like the giraffe that only eat leaves. And how can you eat them? They are delicious raw in salads or in sandwiches. Did you know that most of this vegetable is water? That's why it's such a refreshing food. The lettuce is very nutritious. Therefore, it's the star of all the vegetables. It contains lots of vitamins, minerals, and laxative fibers. By eating lots of lettuce, you will help your digestion to work properly. And it's very refreshing for the stomach. You must eat lettuce and vegetables every day to grow and be healthy. Eat healthy, be healthy.
Watch India's largest kids library only on Jio Hotstar. Download the app now.